wonderful mothers, welcome to my YouTube channel all about toddlers. Today's recipe is mango tapioca pudding. It's mango season here, so I thought to make something very nutritional for babies and ready to digest. So I'm not wasting your time, let's straight to my kitchen. And then how I made this tapioca mango pudding. So first of all, note down the ingredients we needed. This is tapioca pearls. If you don't have a tapioca pearls, as it is easily available in all spices market and supermarkets, if you don't have tapioca, you can replace it with the rice or barley. You have to soak it in water for 1 or 2 hours before making this pudding. So I soak it in a bowl for 2 hours to let it swell. Our second ingredient is milk. This is our main ingredient. So I'm using here 1 glass full of milk. You can also use a formula milk if your baby is small. Our third ingredient is dates. So I mostly use dates in my recipes because it is if your baby is anemic, so this will be very good for their iron, to maintain their iron level in the body. So I will use a few dates. As it is a mango pudding, so obviously I will use a mango. I will make a mango puree first. These are all of my simple ingredients. So first of all, I will make a mango puree for mango pudding. I de-skinned a mango, 1 whole mango, and de-seeded some dates. I take 3 dates. Now I simply put this mango in a blender, and along it I will add these dates. If your baby has some sort of allergy from dates, you can replace dates with the brown sugar, or you don't have to add any sweetener as mango itself is very sweet. I'll blend it to make a smooth puree. Just have a look like this. I'll put it out and will use in my pudding later. So now I'm making pudding. Just take a soaked tapioca in a cooking pan and I will stir it continuously until it thickens down or properly cooked. Stir it continuously to avoid making lumps. Cook tapioca pearls until it transforms into jelly or discolor. This is a sign that your tapioca is done and cooked. Now I'll add a glass of milk and I'll stir it and cook it in a milk and let it boil so that it become little bit thick. This is runny, this is not done yet, so I will let it boil. When it start boiling, boil it for 2 or 3 minutes. Also, tapioca having a property, if you turn off a flame and keep it aside, it will thicken itself within few minutes. It will take 15 to 20 minutes to thicken itself. Now finally it is thickened down, and I will add a mango puree into tapioca. Please make sure that tapioca is completely cooked. At last step you have to add this mango puree. Don't overcook it. Cook it for 30 seconds, not more than 30 seconds or 1 minute. So now have a look. Our tapioca mango pudding is done. This thickness is ideal for babies. So turn off flame and keep it aside for some time. Now I will dish out it and show you final look. Have a look. A creamy best mango tapioca pudding is ready for your baby's little tummy. If you like this recipe, memories, please feel free to subscribe my channel so that you don't miss some more exciting and very nutritional and healthy recipes for your baby. Keep watching All About Toddlers. Until then, Allah Hafiz. God bless you all. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.